Hello everybody, welcome to Break and Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today I'm going to show you how to DIY your own wood stain. Making your own stain is easy. All you need is paint, Floetrol, which makes the paint more smooth, and water. You can use acrylic paint. So this is all like house paint, but you can use regular acrylic tube paint. It's just cheaper if you use the house paint. You can go to the hardware store and like get the broken hearts, all the mixes, and you start there to get all of your paints. I got these geometric shelves from Walnut who are kind enough to sponsor this video. Thank you very much, guys. They use sustainable practices when they grow, harvest, and process their wood. Check them out. I'll leave a link below. First things first, we have to pick a color that we want our stain to be. I chose this wonderful blue color. I'm gonna mix it out. We don't need that much. I think I'm gonna add a little purple to it. As you can see, we don't need that much paint. A little goes a long way. It's gonna be mostly water and Floetrol in this mix. I'm gonna shake this. So I'm gonna open the Floetrol and start pouring some in. It's white at first and then it dries clear. So when you mix your paint, you wanna mix your paint first, then add the Floetrol. The Floetrol will change the color, but not too much. I just start mixing in. I think that's gonna be more than enough. Now we're gonna add water to make it super runny so it goes on really nicely. I always overdo it with the water, so wish me luck. Just a little water. Let's see how that looks. Whoa, as I smoosh paint all over. Oh, that's perfect. Before this gets anywhere near my final project, I'm gonna put it on some swatches of wood and see how it looks. Smoosh it on here. Oops, I forgot. I wanna use a rag while I do this so I can wipe it in. It looks pretty darn cool. Now we are ready to paint our final piece. I'm excited. I'm gonna start on the bottom just because if I wanna change my mind, I totally can. And it's just the bottom. I'll get these dribbles before they make a scene. I like this process because you use very little paint, you use very little Floetrol, and a little bit goes a long way. So it's really nice. You get a lot of bang for your buck. When you're done, you can totally seal these. You can use a glossy or you can use a matte to seal them. I didn't use anything because I like the way it looks better without anything on it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye. I'm gonna shake this first because I feel real good about it.